This is the Superjackwang wire twister tool for drill. Just comes in a plain plastic bag. Let's take it out of the bag. In the bag, you get a series of 25 wire nuts. You have the yellow, red, orange, blue, and gray. Over here is a wire twisting tool. This and the other tool have a hex shank, so it will fit any drill that you'd like to use as such, just like that. There is a strip gauge on here, as you see, the hole going through, so that way you know how much to strip off, to give you an idea. This is the wire twisting tool. You put the wires in there and spin it with the drill, and it will twist it. And this here is for the wire nuts. Same kind of idea. So let's test it out. For the wire twisting, this is one of those tools you're going to need some practice with, and I just don't have that. But here's a piece of Romex we can stick in there. For example, and it has twisted it, certainly. Again, I need to get the knack of it, but the other thing that you can do is use the other tool for a wire nut. So let's take that out and put this one in. Over here, I have a wire nut that we can put on there. So it goes like that. And I'll see if I can do it like this. So not only has that put the wire nut on there really nice and tight, very impressive, but it also has twisted the wire like that. So you certainly can do it with a wire nut as well. And that, oh yeah. Well, that certainly did an excellent job. I also do find that the wire nuts will fit in here as well, depending on the particular kind of wire nut that you have. So perhaps you have to use each of these with a wire nut, and that there's not really much in the way of instructions, but most certainly not only did it twist those wires together, but it put that wire nut on really nicely. That was pretty good. Let's see if it can actually just get it nice and tight again. So we'll come back over here. Yeah, that's fine. That's nice and tight. Oh, just barely. So yeah, that did a fine job with that. So a real simple tool that, again, it's going to take a little getting used to and that. But yeah, if you have wires that need to go together like that, these drills are almost a dime a dozen these days. You know, everybody's got cordless drills, and you don't need to have, you know, a super duper drill for electrical work. It's just something simple that works in that, and you can have multiple ones around. Keep these bits in the drill right there, and it'll do a fine job like that. So once again, this is the Superjackwang wire twister set for drill. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.